Hello, good morning to you, rather good afternoon after having a good sleep. Now I would like to upload video on February 10th and 11th on so many angles. Okay, look at the horoscope taken from Jagannath Hora. It is actually six planets are there in Capricorn. People used to say, 1962, sir, I was born, and actually my six planets are this here and there. See, if these six planets are coming in the place of seventh, ninth, 11th, second, fifth, really the born baby will be the luckiest chap, I will have to say. Why I'm telling you this? Suppose you see here February 10th is Meena Lagna. If anyone born in Meena Lagna, these six planets becomes 11th house. 11th house is for status, friends, fame, name and fame, all these things, gains. Okay? So, moon, sun, Saturn, Jupiter, Venus, and Mercury in retro. All are sitting. Then, how can you expect the results? It is somewhat mixture type. Am I correct? So, I just explain you how I handled this. Let us see. Bhava Kundali, is there any changes? No changes. Okay? Now, planetary position. You see, look at the planets. Sun Atmakaraka. 27 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 31 ನಿಮಿಷ ಧನಿಷ್ಠ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಕುಜ. ಮೂನ್ ಜ್ಞಾತಿಕಾರಕ 7 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 39 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಉತ್ತರಾಷಾಢ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪಾದ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ. ಮಂಗಲ್ ಭ್ರಾತೃಕಾರಕ 23 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 24 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಭರಣಿ 4, that is in Venus. Mercury ಅಮಾತ್ಯಕಾರಕ 23 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 57 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಧನಿಷ್ಠ is in Mars. Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Matrakaraka, Pitrakaraka, Putrakaraka, all are in Shravana Nakshatra, Moon. See, Jupiter in Moon, Gajakesari Yoga. Rahu in Rohini Nakshatra, Rohini 3. So Rahu acting as a moon, and Ketu is in Jesta, Ketu is acting as Mercury. Wonderful, isn't it? If I take the Sarvatobhadra Chakra, look at the Sarvatobhadra Chakra. How Ravi Buddha has got Ved on Shani Guru Shukra. Athwa Shani Guru Shukra has got Ved on Ravi Buddha. So, share market, just imagine. Let us take the Kota Chakra. Kota Chakra, what it says? See, in Kota Chakra, Ketu and Rahu within this Stambha, Ravi Buddha is in Durgantara. Shani, he has become armed guard here. Okay. See, Kotapala, Venus. Kotapala is Venus. How can it, market will be, according to me, it may be down. Because Ketu and Rahu, inside the things, if benefic planets are there inside, then you can say it will be good. So, it will be buyer's market. So, here, very dangerous. February 10th and 11th, I am talking. Okay. I'm not talking about tomorrow. If I speak about tomorrow, just take out Jagannath Hora and save changes. Yes, save changes. Okay, what is that save? It is February 10th, isn't it? So save as. So February, F-E-B, 10th February. Okay, see, 10th F February 2021 and 11th 02 2021. Save it in data instead of this. Yes, save 10th February. Okay, now take it for tomorrow. This also make it Jagannath Tara, open it tomorrow. That is, if you open it today, it is coming. Control D, data enter. Tomorrow, 24th. So 25th you take it. 25th and 9:15. Let us see 9:15. 00. Okay. Baki sab, let it be Bangalore. Let us see. Okay. Now 4 planets are here. Take Sarvatobhadra Chakra. See, Ravi, Shani, it is already started. Dekho, Ved has got Mercury, Shani, Ravi, Guru. Okay, on Mercury or Shani, Ravi, Guru has got Ved on Buddha. Okay, even Rahu, Chandra, Rahu, you take it, Ved. See, Chandra Rahu has got direct on Uttarashada Nakshatra, Chitta Nakshatra, Revati Nakshatra. Let us speak about Kota Chakra. In Kota Chakra, see, Ravi, Shani, Guru is in Kuja. Ravi, Shani is in Durgantara. Guru is also in Durgantara. And Chandra, Rahu outside exterior circle. Ketu is also exterior circle. Shukra and Buddha is in armed guard, where actually Kota Palak case should have been there. So, Ravi, Shani, Kuja. So, tomorrow, 25th. 25th also, the market will be for buyers only. So, everybody will actually sell. Okay, so like that. It will be still going down. Once the phase started, then again maybe problematic. Okay, and up to 23rd February, I will show you what is the 23rd February. Here you take mundane. So I will put Mars transit after Rashi after. See here you see January 25th, then I am going to change when planetary transit mode Mars will be. Let us see planetary transit mode. You see here, it is April 14th. April 14th, it is already gone. Okay, April 14th. So before that, if I click February 22nd, देखो, see February 22nd, it is joining Rahu. Understand? February 22nd, Mars will be joining Rahu. Rahu Mars means what happens? There will be a bomb explosion. Court kacheri, police station, everything. So there may be market crash also. Who knows? Rahu and Kuja. So February 22nd. Of course, still it is there. Our budget has to be taken place on February 1st. So before that, nothing will be happening. Okay, so this is how that February 11th, I will tell you how come that February 11th is also explained. I will show you further. Yes. See, Sun is in star of Dhanishta 2, March 6, 11 to 9. Sun is in star of Dhanishta means Sun is where Sun is? Sun is actually, you see, Sun is Ravi. ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ? 11ನೇ ಮನೆ. ಯಾವುದ ಮನೆ ಅಧಿಪತಿ? ಸಿಂಹದ ಅಧಿಪತಿ 6. 6, 11. ಅದರ ಕುಜನ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಕುಜ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ಮೇಷ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 2 and Prashika 9. So 2, 9, you add it. That is what exactly I added. See, 6, 11, that is Sun, 2 and 9, Mars Nakshatra. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮೂನ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಆಫ್ ಸನ್. ಸೊ ಸನ್ 11, 6 ಸನ್, ಮೂನ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ 4th house Lord. Okay, 4th and 11. If I put 11, that is also okay. 4 and 11, and this is 6 and 11 is sun ka hai. Okay, this is moon where stays, see, moon. This is sun. Then the rest one is actually, it is nakshatra Lord. Mangal is in Venus nakshatra. See, Venus. First Mangal 2 and 9, Mangal. Then 3, 8, 11 is Venus. Mercury, ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸಿ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿ ಪದ್ಧತಿ. Mercury is in Dhanishta, Mars once again. So Mercury is 4th house Lord and 7th house Lord. So Mercury, you make it red. Okay, red and yellow patch. The rest is actually Mangal. Why? Mangal is 2, 9. So Mercury is 4, 7, 11. 11 also is there because he is in Capricorn also. Sorry. That also you have to put. See how easily. Brahaspati, Venus, Saturn are in moon nakshatra. So Brahaspati 1, 10, 11. Okay, Brahaspati 1, 10, 11, and moon is in 4 and 11. If you want 4 and 11, moon. Here also, what is that? Venus is in 3, 8, 11. See, 3, 8, 11. Then moon is in 4, 11. So I am making very concept clear. Okay, save it. Till now you save it. Saturn is in moon nakshatra. So Saturn gives 11 and 12. Because Saturn is in Capricorn. Capricorn is actually 11th from Meena Lagna, 12th house. He is the Lord of 11th and 12th. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ. ಏನು ನಾನೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ರಾಹು ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಹಿಣಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಮೂನ್ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ. ರಾಹು ಈಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಹು ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೀನ ಲಗ್ನ ಟಾರಸ್ 3, third house. Then third, it is in the Rashi of moon 4, 11. Moon ka 4, 11. Am I correct? Rahu, okay, and somebody is aspecting Jupiter. Jupiter is aspecting Rahu, 5th aspect. That also you have to put. So 1, 10, 11. See, 1, 10, 11 is Jupiter aspect. Because Rahu conjoined with the planets. Rahu aspecting. Rahu conjoined. Rahu is with the moon. Okay. So 3, 4, 11, 1, 10, 11. Ketu is in Jyeshta Nakshatra, Mercury. Ketu where? Ketu is in 9th. And Jyeshta Nakshatra, 4 and 7, 11, Mercury. Okay? So 9th is actually unka Ketu. See, if you look at the KP system, very easy. आप KP न्यू आस्ट्रो में आप करके देखो. This is, I think, I have already drawn it. Illa. This is different. Okay? Somebody else. So, why I am telling this is, now you can simply explain. Sun will be giving the results of Mars. Mars is actually 2nd and 9th house. 9th house is for dharma, distance travel, father, and what else? Attempting to foreign, going. All these things. 2nd house is for bank balance, family, all these things. Moon stays only for 2 quarter days. It gives the results of sun because moon is in the nakshatra of Uttarashada. Mercury gives the results of Mars. Jupiter, Venus, Saturn gives the results of moon. ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ನೋಡಿ. ನೀವು ಆ 6 ಗ್ರಹಗಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಏನು ಹೆದರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಯಾವುದು ಹೆದರುವ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿ ಪದ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಅನಲೈಸ್. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಆ ಥರ ಆದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಪ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಅಪ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನಿಂಗ್ February 11th, which is 10th and 11th, which is most particular important day from the point of share market as well as from the market of the child born on that particular day also. Okay? So 9481156540 is my mobile number. God bless you. Make money, enjoy the money, enjoy the life. Thank you very much. Namaskar.